Hi guys, it's Mandy and thank you so much for tuning in to another video on KongSumer. And if you are not subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos that are coming out soon. We recently just renovated our bedroom and I wanted to get a vanity that was functional and that I could use. We had a vanity there that they built in whenever they built the house, and I can't even begin to tell you guys with words how bad this vanity was. It was awful. So needless to say, it was not a sad day when we ripped that vanity out of the bedroom. I take that back. It was a sad day because you cannot imagine how many nails they used to nail this vanity into the wall. Let me put in a picture so you all can see the disaster that we had to fix. I think they used an entire box of nails to put in this vanity. Insane, right? But anyway, let's get back to talking about the vanity that I got. So I went on a search on Amazon, determined to find a vanity that would fit in that space, that would be functional and big enough that I could put everything I wanted on it, but not overly big. I just wanted something small to fit in the corner and something that I could use practically every day. The vanity I decided to get was the Poundex Bobkona Stephanie Vanity with a stool. The model number is F4140. So as you guys can tell, I went with the espresso color. The vanity also comes in white. So if you're interested in checking it out, I will put a link down in the description for you guys to do that. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit more about this vanity, and let's start off with the dimensions. The assembled height is 50 inches. The assembled width is 16 inches. The assembled length is 28 inches. The vanity is made from rubber wood PW MDF poplar. It also comes with a thick cushion upholstered stool. This vanity is super easy to put together. Now, if I am going to be completely honest with you guys, I have trouble putting together shoe shelves or shoe racks, the kind that have plastic ends and the pieces of metal rods that you put the shoes on. I can't put those together. I actually put this vanity together myself and it took me about an hour. And I have to say I was very proud of myself after I was done. Although I have to say I was a little nervous sitting on the stool for the first time because I thought I had it right, but I wasn't sure. And I haven't fallen yet, so I guess I put it together right. Now let's take a closer look at the vanity and let's start at the top and work our way down. This vanity has an adjustable mirror, which is great because you can position it in the perfect place just for you. The top of the vanity is the perfect size for what I needed and wanted. It has a nice satin finish that isn't too glossy. It is big enough that I can store my makeup that I use on a regular basis and still have some room to work. I really like having the larger single drawer rather than having a couple smaller drawers. Let's go ahead and open up the drawer. You can see that I keep the rest of my eyeshadow, mascara, blush, lip glosses, and that kind of stuff in here. You can actually fit more in this drawer than you think. Let's keep moving down and take a look at the stool. I'm actually really impressed with this stool. It fits perfectly under the vanity. It is very comfortable and the padding is keeping its shape very well. The only thing I might have changed about this stool is maybe not putting such a light fabric on the top of it. I'm so glad that I decided to go with this particular vanity, and you could use it in so many different ways in a bedroom, in a bathroom. It would even be great to use as a little desk in a living room or a family room even. I truly would recommend this vanity if you're looking for something small and affordable. And if you are interested in this vanity, I will put the link down in the description below. Comment below if you have this vanity and what you think of it. I would love to know. And if you have any questions, put those in the comments as well, and we will do our best to answer those. And if you are not subscribed to KongSumer, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And that's going to finish it up for me today. I will see you in the next video. Bye.